Hi guys, it's Gobby Gaming here today. It's Gobby. Hi guys, it's Gobby Gaming here today, and I'm going to be reviewing this. Now, what it is you can. It's funny. It says folding pocket comb, age 5 and up. Slide down small button to lock. And then push button for quick ejection of comb. Now, what it is it's a switchblade, but it's like, oh god, no! Sorry about that, my tablet fell. Anyway, it's a switchblade comb. You can prank a lot of people with it. It's really funny. So the packaging's alright. Has a picture of a comb. Now, when I actually got it, I thought it would be smaller, but it's actually pretty big. It's like a life size thing. So you push it up. You push it up to lock. That's when you're pointing it down. It's an open. You point it that. But just before I show you what it does, it has a little thing here, so you can hook it onto your keys, something like that. It's not plastic. It is plastic. This is metal here. It looks like a knife, kind of, like so you can go up to someone and hey you, and then like the hair's messy, and you could open the comb and go, you missed a bit. But the comb actually flings out like that. Now what it is it's a comb, and it's pretty big, as you can see. I'm just going to pause and get a ruler. This thing is 20. This thing is 37 centimeters. So yeah. And let's have a look at this. Fault knocking. But push up, it doesn't come out. Push down, flicks up. So you can go up to someone and go pretend like they've just combed the hair by using their own comb, and then they've got just a bit messy there, and you can go, oh you! Wait a minute. Beep. Fail. Oh you! You missed a bit. Yeah, you could just do a lot of people. You could go like, hey, I want to shank you, but first I want to comb your hair. You could just do loads of funny stuff. I've saw some guys on YouTube do it. What they do is they go up to like someone and they go, dude, hold this knife. I've just stabbed someone, and then this dude went hitting. He went, guy, it's a comb, and he started. Surprised it actually works. It's a decent comb. It's one of them ones that you can comb your hair pretty nice with. You know what I mean? It's one of them ones. So that's been the review on this. Now I'm going to talk about something. Actually has a scratch, look. It has quite a lot of grip. There's a lock and the button right here. The comb's plastic, this bit's metal, and if you look in the inside it's just that, and then so you fold it down and then it's open. Anyway, I'm just going to put that back in the box quickly. Put that in there. La da da. Oh my god! Anyway, so it's the box again. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you next video.